Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to sign out Monopoly Go. In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through how to sign out Monopoly Go. And as always, feel free to like this video and subscribe so you never miss future tutorials. Let's jump right in. Once you open the app and land on the main screen, head to the top right corner and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines from the menu. Scroll down and enter the settings section. Here, select Manage Account and you see all the platforms your Monopoly Go profile is linked to, such as Facebook, Google, or even your phone contacts. To fully sign out, simply disconnect every linked account. For example, if you're connected through Facebook, tap Disconnect, confirm it, and repeat the process for any other linked service. Once everything is unlinked, your account will be signed out. Another alternative is head to your device settings, find the Monopoly Go app, and clear its app data, which instantly logs you out, and that's all it takes to sign out safely and completely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.